Hello and welcome. Today, we're bringing you a complete mock U.S. citizenship interview for 2025. This video will show you exactly what happens in a real N-400 naturalization interview step by step. You'll practice the yes and no questions, the civics test, the English reading and writing test, the Part 9 vocabulary, and even the oath ceremony. If you're preparing for your USCIS citizenship interview, this simulation is the perfect way to build your confidence and learn how to answer every question correctly. Watch closely, practice along with us, and get ready to pass your U.S. citizenship interview in 2025. Let's begin.
Lena Fernandez?
Yes, that's me.
Good morning. I am Officer Edlow, and I'm going to take your citizenship interview. Please follow me.
Sure. Thank you.
Please have a seat.
Thank you.
How are you today?
I'm doing well. Thank you. And how about you?
I am also great. Thanks for asking. Do you understand why you are here today?
Yes, I'm here for my citizenship interview.
Why do you want to become a U.S. citizen?
Because I believe in the form of government and want to vote.
What makes you eligible to become a U.S. citizen?
I have been a lawful permanent resident for over 5 years.
Do you have any questions before we start?
No, I don't.
How did you get here today?
My husband drove me here.
Where is your husband now?
He is waiting outside for me.
Did you come here voluntarily?
Yes, I did. I've been looking forward to this day.
How long have you been waiting for me?
I have been waiting for about 1 hour.
I am sorry to have kept you waiting.
No worries, officer.
Do you feel well prepared for your interview today?
Yes, I do.
Do you need to use the restroom before we start?
No, I am fine. Thank you for asking.
How long did it take you to get here?
It took 30 minutes to get here.
How was the traffic today?
Not too bad.
Did you have any trouble finding our building?
No, officer, it was quite easy.
Let's start by going over your application. Can I see your green card, passport, and any other documents you brought with you today?
Sure. Here you are.
Thank you. Do you have any physical disability or mental impairment that prevents you from demonstrating your knowledge and understanding any part or question of the naturalization exam?
No.
If you do not understand any question, feel free to ask me to repeat it. Okay.
Okay.
Please let me know if any of your answers have changed since submitting your application. Okay.
Sure.
Are you ready for your interview?
Yes, officer, I am ready.
Okay. Before starting your interview, I'll need to place you under oath. Please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Thank you. You can put your hand down.
Thank you.
Do you know what you just promised?
Yes, officer. I promise to tell the truth.
Do you know what take an oath means?
It's a public promise that I must do truthfully.
Can you verify your social security number, please?
1705-81105.
Are either of your parents U.S. citizens?
No.
Were your parents married before your 18th birthday?
No.
Where do your parents live now?
They live in Cuba.
What is the best number to reach you?
602-09-81068.
Where were you born?
I was born in Havana, Cuba.
What is your full name?
My name is Alina Maria Fernandez.
Please spell your last name.
Fernandez.
What is your current legal name?
Alina Maria Fernandez.
Have you used any other names?
No, I haven't.
Okay. When is your date of birth?
March 12th, 1990.
How did you become a lawful permanent resident?
Through a petition for alien relative.
Are you currently single, married, divorced, or widowed?
Yes, I'm married.
Have you brought any document that may prove your marriage legitimate?
Yes. Here are a few documents along with few photos with my spouse and our families since our marriage program.
Thank you. How is your spouse's legal status in the United States?
He is a U.S. citizen.
How did you meet your current spouse?
My father and my spouse's father are childhood friend, and they arranged our marriage.
Wow, that's great. Do you file your taxes jointly with your spouse?
Yes, officer.
What is your spouse's name?
My spouse's name is Carlos Fernandez.
Can I have your marriage certificate, please?
Sure. Here you are.
Thank you. When did you get married?
We got married on June 20th, 2015.
What does your spouse do?
He does a job in a private company.
What is your current spouse's date of birth?
His date of birth is July 11th, 1985.
Have you had any previous marriages?
No.
How many times did your spouse marry?
Once.
Do you have any children?
Yes, we have 2 children.
What are your children's names and ages?
Our son, Michael, is 8 years old, and our daughter, Emily, is 5 years old.
What is your children's relationship with you?
They are my biological children.
Have you brought their birth certificates with you?
Yes, officer.
Can you please show me?
Sure. Here you are.
Thank you. What is your mailing address?
1234 Elm Street, Springfield.
How long have you lived at this address?
We've lived there for about 6 years.
Has your address changed since you've submitted your application?
No.
Have you lived in another address before your current address in last 5 years?
No.
Where do you currently live?
We live at 1234 Elm Street, Springfield.
Where else have you lived the last 5 years?
I have been living at the same address since last 5 years.
Do you have any military service?
No, I do not.
How do you support yourself?
I do job in a private firm.
Oh, that's great. Where do you work? And what's your position?
I work as a software engineer at Tech Solutions, Inc.
How long have you been with your current employer?
I've been with them for 4 years.
Have you had any other jobs in the past 5 years?
Yes, before this job, I worked at Innova Tech for 3 years.
When did you become a lawful permanent resident?
I became a lawful permanent resident on March 7th, 2020.
Have you traveled outside the United States in the past 5 years?
Yes, I have.
How long did you stay on your last trip?
I stayed for about 1 week.
Is there any new trip outside of the United States since you submitted your application?
No.
Can you list the countries you visited and the dates of travel?
Sure. I visited Canada in July 2023, the UK in December 2024, and Mexico in June 2025.
What was the purpose of your last trip?
To attend a family program.
Were any of your trips for 6 months or more?
No.
Have you ever been called for jury duty?
Not yet.
Did you register with the Selective Service, if required?
Yes, officer.
Have you ever sponsored any relatives for immigration to the United States?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever intentionally avoided paying debts or financial obligations?
No.
Do you volunteer in your community?
Yes, I do.
Have you ever received public assistance that you were not entitled to?
No.
Have you ever failed to pay taxes or filed late intentionally?
No, officer.
Have you ever helped someone legally immigrate to the U.S.?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever been involved in any civil lawsuits or legal disputes?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever traveled to a country with travel restrictions or advisory warnings?
No, I haven't.
Do you contribute to your community in any way outside of work?
Yes. I volunteer at local animal shelters and help organize community tree planting events.
Have you ever received public assistance or government benefits?
No, officer.
Do you owe any debts to the government like student loans or federal fines?
No, I don't.
Do you provide financial support to any relatives outside the U.S?
No, I don't.
Let's go through civics test to check your knowledge about United States history, government system, economic policy, Constitution, and few others. I'll ask you up to 10 questions, and you need to answer at least 6 correctly to pass. Have you prepared for the civics test?
Yes. I studied a lot.
Good. If you don't listen or understand any questions clearly, ask me to repeat it. Okay?
Okay.
Please listen carefully to each question. What are 2 ways that Americans can participate in their democracy?
Vote.
Join a political party.
In what month do we vote for president?
November.
What ocean is on the east coast of the United States?
Atlantic Ocean.
How many amendments does Constitution have?
27.
What do we show loyalty to when we say the Pledge of Allegiance?
The United States.
What is freedom of religion?
You can practice any religion or not practice a religion.
What is the supreme law of the land?
The Constitution.
There are 4 amendments to the Constitution about who can vote. Describe one of them.
Citizens 18 and older can vote.
What was one important thing that Abraham Lincoln did?
Freed the slaves.
Name one of the 2 longest rivers in the United States.
Missouri River.
Great! You have passed the civics test.
Thank you, officer.
Now I am going to ask you some questions about your background, organizations, and personal history to know your moral character. These questions are very important because they help us determine your eligibility for U.S. citizenship. It is important that you answer honestly. Remember, you are under oath. So, everything you say must be true. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
If you don't understand a question, please let me know, and I'll explain that. Okay?
Okay.
Have you ever tried to overthrow the U.S. government by unconstitutional means?
No, never.
Have you ever been a habitual drunkard?
No, officer.
Have you ever been placed in jail or prison?
No, never.
Have you ever supported a dictatorship in the U.S. or your home country?
No.
Have you ever been arrested, cited, detained, or confined?
No, I have never been arrested.
Have you ever been charged with a crime?
No.
Have you ever gambled illegally or got money from it?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever given false papers to U.S. officials?
No, never.
Have you ever registered or voted in U.S. elections?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever claimed to be a U.S. citizen?
No.
Have you ever committed domestic violence, sexual assault, or child abuse?
No. Never.
Have you ever been involved in illegal drugs, like selling, smuggling, or using?
No, officer.
Have you ever given false or misleading information to any U.S. government official while applying for an immigration benefit?
No. Never.
Have you ever been removed, excluded, or deported from the U.S.?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever harmed someone because of race, religion, origin, group, or opinion?
No.
Have you ever taken part in genocide?
No.
Have you ever lied to any U.S. government official to enter the United States?
No, officer.
Have you ever committed a crime or broken the law but not been arrested?
No, I have never committed a crime or broken the law.
Have you ever been married to more than one person at once?
No.
Have you ever advocated the overthrow of any government in anywhere in the world by force or violence?
No, officer.
Have you ever failed to pay your taxes?
No, I have always paid my taxes.
Can you please show me your tax return?
Yes. Here you go.
Thank you. Do you owe any overdue taxes?
No, I don't.
Have you ever committed assault?
No.
Have you ever served in the military or police of another country?
No, officer.
Have you ever been convicted of a crime or offense?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever lied to the U.S. government to get immigration benefits?
No.
Have you ever falsely claimed to be a U.S. citizen?
No. Never.
Since becoming a resident, have you called yourself a non-resident or not filed taxes?
No, officer.
Have you ever been a member of any terrorist organization?
No. Never.
Have you ever stopped someone from practicing religion?
No.
Have you ever been on probation, parole, or had a suspended sentence?
No.
Have you ever supported a group using weapons or explosives?
No, officer.
Have you ever received weapons or military training?
No, officer.
Have you ever been a prostitute or procured anyone for prostitution?
No. Never.
Have you ever helped someone enter the U.S. illegally?
No, officer.
Have you ever been part of the Communist Party or totalitarian group?
No.
Have you ever been involved in kidnapping, assassination, hijacking, or sabotage?
No, I haven't.
What is assassination?
Killing an important person.
Have you ever lied to get public benefits?
No, never.
Have you ever been in deportation, rescission, or removal proceedings?
No.
Do you support the U.S. Constitution and government?
Yes.
I do.
Are you willing to take the oath of allegiance?
Yes, officer.
Do you understand the oath of allegiance?
Yes, I understand.
What is oath of allegiance?
Promise to be loyal to U.S.
If required, will you do work of national importance under civilian direction?
Yes, officer.
Are you unable to take the oath because of disability or mental condition?
No.
If required, will you bear arms for the U.S.?
Yes, officer.
If required, will you do non-combatant services in the military?
Yes, officer.
Thank you for answering honestly. All your answers show good moral character. This is very important for U.S. citizenship.
Thank you, officer.
Next, we will begin the reading and writing portion of your naturalization test. This part checks your ability to read and write in English. For the reading test, I will show you a few sentences and you will need to read them aloud correctly. For the writing test, I will ask you to write a few sentences that I dictate to you. You need to read and write each sentence accurately. If you make a mistake, I will give you another chance. Do you understand what you will need to do?
Yes, I understand.
Are you ready to begin?
Yes, I am ready.
Great. Please read the sentence on the tablet.
What is the largest city in America?
Great. You have passed your reading test.
Thank you, officer.
Now we're going to move on to the writing portion. Please write this sentence. New York City is the largest city in America. Great! You have successfully passed both the reading and writing portions of the test.
Thank you, officer. Thank you so much.
Let's go over a few more questions to know about your moral character. Have you ever failed to support your children or spouse financially?
No.
Never.
During any of your trips abroad, did you ever engage in illegal activities?
No, officer.
Have you ever been involved in any organizations or groups that advocate violence or discrimination?
No.
Have you ever been involved in prostitution, human trafficking, or sexual offenses?
No. Never.
Have you ever been denied a visa or entry to another country?
No, officer.
Have you ever committed any crime in the U.S. or abroad?
No.
Have you ever served in the military of a foreign country?
No, I haven't.
During your travels, have you ever experienced legal issues abroad, such as fines or detentions?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever faced discrimination or harassment?
No, never.
Have you ever signed any contracts in the U.S. that caused problems later?
No.
Have you ever acted as a guarantor for anyone who violated U.S. laws?
No, officer.
Have you ever assisted someone in avoiding law enforcement?
Absolutely not.
Have you ever committed domestic violence, abuse, or neglect?
No, officer.
Have you ever helped someone commit fraud or misrepresentation in any official process?
Absolutely not.
Have you ever been involved in any fraud, scams, or financial misconduct?
No, never.
Have you ever used false documents for employment, school, or immigration purposes?
No, never.
Have you ever arrested in your home country or any other country outside the United States?
No, officer.
Have you ever failed to report an incident that should have been reported?
No, never.
Have you ever failed to attend a court hearing or immigration appointment without a valid reason?
No, officer.
Have you ever been involved in identity theft or cybercrime?
No, never.
Have you ever assisted anyone trying to overthrow any government in the United States or your home country?
No, never.
Have you ever helped someone immigrate to the U.S. illegally or provide false documentation?
No, never.
Have you ever lied to avoid military service or public duty?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever given false or misleading information to any U.S. government official while applying for an immigration benefit or any other official matter?
No. I've always been truthful.
Have you ever falsified educational or professional credentials?
No.
Have you ever overstayed outside the United States?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever had conflicts with neighbors, coworkers, or family that escalated to law enforcement involvement?
No.
Have you ever knowingly submitted false information on an official form?
Absolutely not.
Have you ever lied on any immigration application?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever received a formal warning or probation from a court or law enforcement agency?
No.
Have you ever been involved in any traffic accidents where someone was injured?
No, officer.
Do you have any pending police case in your home country or any other country in the world?
No.
Now we will discuss some complex situations to assess your moral character and attachment to the U.S. Have you ever encountered situations that required reporting to law enforcement abroad?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever had a family member visit you from abroad for an extended period?
No, officer.
Have you ever signed legal documents or contracts in another country while being a U.S. permanent resident?
No.
Have you ever experienced an emergency abroad that required contacting U.S. authorities?
No. Never.
Have you ever financially supported a family member living abroad?
Yes.
I have occasionally provided financial assistance to a family member living abroad to help with essential needs. It was done out of care and responsibility. And I have always complied with U.S. laws and regulations regarding such support.
During your travels abroad, have you ever been detained, questioned, or fined by foreign authorities?
No. Never.
Have you ever faced legal issues with property or tenants?
No, officer.
Do you understand your responsibilities as a U.S. citizen, paying taxes, following laws, serving on a jury if called, and supporting your family?
Yes.
I do.
Do you understand that good moral character is required to become a U.S. citizen?
Yes. I understand.
Do you respect and obey the laws of the United States?
Yes, I do.
Do you believe in equal rights and opportunities for all people, regardless of race, religion, or gender?
Yes, absolutely.
Do you believe you meet that standard of moral character?
Yes, I do.
Do you confirm all your answers today are true and complete?
Yes, I confirm.
Do you promise that everything you said is true?
Yes, I promise.
Do you consider yourself a responsible and law-abiding person?
Yes, I do.
Just give me a minute. I need to run a quick background check and copy all your documents.
Sure.
Take your time, please.
All right. Thank you for patience. I have reviewed your application and everything seems to be in order. Congratulations. You have passed the interview.
Thank you, officer.
Now I want you to review all of the information on the tablet to make sure it's accurate. Let me know if there are any mistakes.
Yes, officer. Everything looks good.
Great. So please sign the box on the tablet to affirm that everything you've said during the interview and all the evidence that you've submitted is complete and true.
Okay.
Thank you. Please review the Oath of Allegiance section. Make sure you agree to all the statements. Then you can print your name and sign and date on the tablet.
Okay.
Thank you. You will receive a letter in the mail with the date and time for your oath ceremony.
Thank you, officer.
You're welcome. Do you have any questions for me?
Yes, I do have a question. What documents do I need to take with me on the date of Oath of Allegiance?
No worries about that. You will have the detail on the letter regarding the oath ceremony.
Oh, that's great. Thank you, officer.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Thank you.
You too.